Let's talk about estate tax. Let's talk about the unified credit. Both estate tax and unified credit are one and the same. I'm Kevin Taylor from Neil Jesani Advisors, and we're going to talk about how the One Big Beautiful Bill is going to help you save money. Historically, estate tax has been a misnomer, thought to be only applicable to the most wealthy among us, and in many cases that's true. But in most cases, we all want to wake up one day and look back on a life well lived and a career well earned and be very wealthy. And what does that mean? With wealth comes a great deal of strategies, a great deal of challenges. And what we try to do is make sure that we're proactive in helping our clients meet those challenges every day. Estate tax is one of the biggest among them because you can't die for free. I know that's in many cases people think you can, but you can't. And if you're over a certain amount in terms of the size of your estate when you do die, unfortunately, your executor, your estate, your family, and your legacy could be reduced by up to 40% just with the payment of federal estate tax. So what does the One Big Beautiful Bill do for us? It increases the unified credit. Let's talk about the unified credit. The unified credit is typically referred to in legal and accounting firms and banks around the world as such. And what that basically means is if you have an estate of X dollars, it's reduced at your death by the amount of the unified credit. Now, for many in the population, this is great because their estates are not above the unified credit. They don't have to worry about estate tax when they die. But unfortunately, for those of us that have worked hard and done well to leave a legacy for our families or for organizations that we care deeply about, we very much have to worry about estate taxes. So here at Neil Jesani Advisors, we've taken the time over our 4th of July holiday to read the One Big Beautiful Bill. Yes, while everybody else was out having a good time, as they should have been to celebrate our country, we took a little time on the 4th, but then we all started reading. And the good news for you is that the passage of the One Big Beautiful Bill is going to increase the unified credit by $1,010,000 individually or $2,020,000 for a couple married filing joint. So what does that mean? Instead of being able to pass just over $27,980,000 without worrying about estate or gift tax, now you can pass 30. One of the important changes within the Big Beautiful Bill in relation to estate tax is the deletion of 26 U.S.C. 2010C. What is that code section? 26 U.S.C. section 2010C was basically a sunset provision. So in the next few months, the unified credit was going to sunset and it was going to revert. The good news is, with the passage of the One Big Beautiful Bill, they specifically deleted 26 U.S.C. section 2010C. It's gone. There's no more sunset provision. The increase that's there of the $15 million for a single person is going to be with us for a while. And the good news is, it's also adjusted for inflation over time. So there are nuances to that, but in general, it's a very good thing. And this comes into effect January 1st of 2026. So unfortunately, it won't help in 2025, but it does give us time to plan. So we can plan for what we're going to do on January 1st, 2026 to make the most of your extra $2,020,000 for married, those of you that are married, or $1,010,000 for those of you that are single. So with that, we ask you to give us a call today if you're making over $2 million. We'd love to talk to you.